Hey guys, what's up? It's Big Joe 29 here, and today I'll be making my very first YouTube video. So I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna be kicking this ball out on my trampoline because it's distracting me. Okay, currently it's windy. I am in my shorts and t-shirt, and yeah. Quality may be bad because of wind and that stuff. Well, sorry guys, I must have filmed that I needed to film inside, but well, what can I do about that? Whoa! Whoa. Okay, I didn't hear that. But well, I can't I can't film games yet. Well, I will, but not now, cause problem is I can't download the movies or how the heck do you say it, but I can't download it. I can't even find it for real, but for filming I'm now using an Lenovo, or however in the world they say it, iPad, and it's powered by Android, if you didn't know that. So yeah, I'm just walking around my house right now. And yeah, okay, turning back. And please do subscribe, because, well, please do. If we reach, okay, I'll go for small. 5 likes, I'll make another vlogging episode. If we reach, I don't know, like 2, 1, 3, that doesn't matter, I'm still gonna make another video, so, okay. Well, I don't know what to say, but, well, I know my friends, well, have a YouTube channel. They have, one has 25 million subscribers, and I can't remember his YouTube channel name. And one has, my other friend who lives here. He's currently in the capital city, Riga, and, yeah, he has 4 subscribers. He started like a year ago. Doesn't want to upload videos. I don't know why, but I don't know. The thing is, yeah, I'm. So you might see me growing up and stuff like that. I bet I'm gonna make a lot of years of YouTube when I'm gonna be like 13 and stuff. Yeah. Okay. See. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Next episode is gonna be amazing. I hope nothing goes wrong. And see ya!